Notice from Bangalore Cyber Cell for physical attendance within 7 days. My bank account was freeze due to some credit by someone foreign money, and I asked the bank to reverse it back, and even I responded to cybercrime officer. I don't know what I have to do. Many people receiving a notice from cyber police station, and within 7 days they are asking you to come there. Otherwise, legal action will be taken. Even arrest will also be can be taken places. Many people sometimes receive a foreign money even if they are playing a gaming app, or even they sell any crypto through Binance P2P, or even sometimes they rent their bank account to someone. They are not aware that it's a crime, or someone unfortunately by mistake they receive a foreign money in a chain, and because of that their account also get freeze. They receive a notice, police asking for a justification that you have to come with the document with your bank account statement that why you received the money. FIR has been registered, the person has lost in crores of rupee, and FIR has been registered under section 318 of BNSS IT Act 66 CD, and for that you are also supposed to appear there. So in that situation, what we have to do, many times people get panic, they contact the local lawyer, they tell definitely you have to do, come here, we have to do this and that, we have to take our document, you have to get a bail, you have to file this and that, otherwise police will come arrest you. In future you will face the issue. Many people under that fear, they pay the money whatever lawyer demand, 10, 20, 30, 40,000. Even police people take a bribe because you are not aware, you don't know what to do, how to do. So no need to panic, no need to worry. In case you receive any cyber police notice under section 35(3), 97, 179 of BNSS, just approach to us. We are here to help you, to guide you each and everything I'm going to tell you, so that you don't have to go physically there, you don't have to waste or worry your time. The notice reply we are going to draft for you, and the same you can send it to them through mail or through by post, whatever the convenient way for you. So in case you receive a notice, no need to worry, no need to panic, nothing wrong you have done. Just by any way you receive a foreign money, and just because of that you receive the notice, and you have to answer that notice. So in case you receive any notice, just WhatsApp us the notice copy, whatever your matter, bank account statement, from where you receive the money, for what purpose you receive the money, and we are going to help you, guide you, advise you, give you proper consultation that help you to save your time, money, and give you a peace of mind. We will prepare a notice reply draft for you also, that will help you a lot. So whatever your matter, your account get freeze, you need a NOC, you receive police notice, court notice, we are here to guide and help you. Just WhatsApp us and get the help.